Introducing the Mercedes-Benz S55 AMG long V8 compressor. This is a high-performance model that has been thoroughly tuned by AMG from Mercedes' traditional flagship model, the S-Class. The mileage is 66,472 kilometers. The vehicle inspection is valid until August 2024. It received a high rating of 4 points in the inspection by AIS, which conducts vehicle inspections as an impartial third-party organization. It has been given a thorough refresh cleaning and is in good condition. Equipped with Parktronic, which uses sensors in the front and rear bumpers to detect the distance to obstacles and alerts the driver with an indicator and an alarm. Equipped with dual and side airbags, window airbags, ADS, brake assist, pre-safe, and ESP that enhances driving stability as safety equipment that Mercedes emphasizes. The long body of the S-Class is spacious, and the rear seats are equipped with seat heaters and ventilators, creating a comfortable space. The front seats are also equipped with seat heaters and ventilators. Adopts Bose speakers that provide dynamic and immersive sound. It also has cruise control. Navigation is equipped with carrozzeria in-dash navigation. Equipped with a terrestrial digital viewing and audio system, and a rear view camera when put into reverse gear. Equipped with active body control that automatically controls the suspension and improves driving stability. You can also choose between driving modes, comfort mode, sport mode, and manual mode. Equipped with a multi-control seat back with a driving dynamic function that firmly supports the body by expanding the sides of the backrest when cornering. It is also equipped with a first aid kit and a CalStar mirror-type radar detector. Equipped with a sliding roof, it offers an open riding experience. The transmission is a 5-speed automatic. The engine is equipped with a V-type 8-cylinder engine with a supercharger, delivering powerful running performance of 500 horsepower. Thank you for watching.